What's up, YouTubers? My name is Brennan. This is Super Nerd Hobbyist, and today we're gonna make an alien egg. I went ahead and bought this jumbo Easter egg. I got this at Easter, so I figured in the future I'd probably end up doing this video and making an alien egg out of it, so here we are. I just got this from Walmart and stuff, and we're just going to use this as the base. And I'm going to use EVA foam, kind of like this, except I'm going to use the flat side. The piece will look like this. And I'm going to use the flat side of this foam. And this kind of foam I bought at also Walmart. You'll see this would be more like for like gym mats where the exercise equipment is. It'll just say foam mats, and it has like these little airlocking tabs so you can place them all on the floor. I use them for projects like this, so I just cut them up in pieces and put them on here. So all I'll need is foam, this, a boxing knife to cut the foam with, the pieces I need, use marker to mark out exactly where I want the lips of the alien egg to be, and I don't want it to be like a closed egg. What I'm going to try to go for is have the opening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably draw a line probably right here, and I'm going to have the lips come up like this, kind of like a flower petals, and have 3 of them. And then the top part of the egg is going to be like the inside of the alien egg, all the nasty goop and stuff. So I'll probably use foam for that too and make it look nasty. This is all we need to get started, so let's get to it. So you want to take a Sharpie or marker and mark where you want the lips. I'm using a reference picture for the egg to find out where I want it. Then you want to cut out your lips. And when you meet the right measurements, cut out 2 more to make 3. Then you're going to use a heating gun to bend them to the egg, and then kind of heat up the top to bend it back to give it a lip kind of look. Do all the same thing for all 3 pieces. And take some super glue, glue the 2 halves together, and then the lips finally. Alright, so I had to actually modify this. I cut a little bit more down because it wasn't gonna fit, and I wanted more opening on top, so this is what we got so far, and that's just super glued on there. Okay, so what I want to do next is use some of this air foam clay that I got from Hobby Lobby. All you do is just add a little bit of water and put it on any surface, even like plastic like on this, and after it dries within 24 hours or 48, it will become foam too. So because this is kind of uneven and not really glued on well, I'm going to put a lot of this towards the bottom here, and then if I have any extra, just put some down on the surface. So pretty much just going to try to cover this with some foam clay. I might have to go get some more because I don't have very much left, so let's get to it. So I decided for the lips I use some foam rods I found at the craft store. These are like cut in half, so they're perfect for the edge of the lips, and I just cut them down to size and glued them into place. And as you can see, it can get kind of messy with your hands. So I suggest either wearing gloves, or you don't have to use as much water as I did. I just wanted to spread it a little bit thin, so I'm not using as much. So just go by instinct and see how well you can spread it out. So this is what I got so far. I think this turned out really well so far. This is all the foam and stuff in it. The only thing I didn't show that I did was the inside. I kind of put different kind of little snake things. Kind of looks like crap in there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it with clear coat. Make it shiny on the inside and make it look wet and nasty. And then I'm going to paint it different colors and make it kind of look like intestines and stuff. And then paint the outside to look like the alien egg. So the next step is to wait till this is dry. And after that, we're going to spray paint some texture spray paint on it to kind of give it different things. And we'll get right on that. Okay, let's get to it. So now we're on our next step, which is spray painting that alien egg. And we're going to be using this Rust-Oleum's multicolored texture. And I'm just going to spray the outside of it to give it that weird gritty texture. And I'm going to do probably about 2 or 3 layers on that. I won't be spraying the inside like that because I'll save that for later. Then after that, I'll probably spray it with a black color. So let's get to doing this and see how it looks. So I got a little ahead of myself. I completely forgot to cover this middle part of the section, and then I was going to make a base. So as you can see, kind of messed up because you can see the line of the egg right there. So I'll just finish that up using more of that foam clay and covering this up completely. But this is what it looks like after the paint and everything, so I'll have to repaint it again after I put the foam and base back on. So there we go. So I got done with putting all the little extra on the side. I was originally going to make a base for it, but since the egg has kind of a flat bottom, it stands on its own, so I just left it as it is. Since I messed up, I'm going to redo the egg again with this Rust-Oleum multicolored textured paint. Probably just do a couple layers on this and probably one more pass on the part I already painted. Then after that, I'm going to do also Rust-Oleum's semi-gloss black to kind of give it that nice black texture you seen in the original Alien movie. I might do some different colors and stuff later, but this is where I'm going to do with it now, so hopefully it comes out okay. Let's get to it. So this is what the egg looks like now. It's all black, and you kind of see it has all those textures in it, even very fine texture. And then of course all the lumps from the foam clay. So now we're just going to airbrush this. We're going to use several different colors. I think for the main body, I'm just going to use this regular orange color. And for the lips, like from here on up, I'm gonna kind of use a little bit of that yellow orange to kind of blend in with everything else. And then for the inside, for all that in there and on the inside the lips, I'm gonna use this rose red and just regular pink to kind of give it that fleshy redness tone. And then probably do like the deep parts with this dark red. And for the main body, like I said, mainly just this orange color, but I'll probably blend it in with some dark brown, and then probably highlight some spots with just black. So we'll see. Alright, let's get to it. So this is what it looks like after being done. This is not exactly how I thought it was going to look, and I'm so okay with it. Of course, this doesn't look like the movie accurate version of the alien egg. This is just my version, but you see the inside, I kind of made it look like intestines and stuff, where the face hugger is hiding in there. But yeah, I think all in all, it looks good on its own version of it. My first impression of it when I was done with it is it looks kind of like a weird alien plant. Like, this is the plant part and this is the lips. Kind of reminds me of the little Shop of Horrors plant monster thing, but I still think it came out really good, so please leave in the comments down below if you think this is good or a bad one. I suggest if you want a more movie accurate one, probably do mostly black and then highlight the spots with gray. So I don't know, that's just a suggestion. So this is what it looks like after everything. Okay, here guys go. And that's all that's going to be for that video. Hopefully you guys loved it. Like I said before, my alien egg, I wish I would have painted it different colors, maybe black and gray to kind of give it that old look. Kind of make it look like the first Alien movie when it's in the dark. Or you can go for maybe a darker green shade and mess around with it. You don't have to do exactly what I do. I just did what I had with my colors, and I still think it looks good. It don't look like the alien egg from Aliens that much, but I still love it. So let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more projects like this, or you want to see different things. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please like, share, subscribe, and follow for more content. Like I've said in my previous videos, I'm trying to release these videos at least twice a week, so to catch up on a lot of them, because I still have my gaming channel. So if you haven't seen my gaming channel yet, please go over there and check it out. I'm currently playing Dragon Ball Z Kakarot before the new game, Dragon Ball Sparkling Zero. So please check out that channel, and please subscribe to this one and wait to see more videos. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. See you around later. Bye. Peace.